to my channel. Today is day 4 of Vlogmas. Okay, we're on a road. 25 videos, 25 days to Christmas. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Keisha. If you're a returning subscriber, how are you? Nice to see you guys, and I have missed you all. And it's the holidays, and it just doesn't feel like the holidays, but it is, you know what I mean? So you guys, today's video is going to be kind of an unboxing and review of this jewelry company that I found on Facebook/Instagram that I am loving, and I am excited to show you guys these products that I got from them. Yeah, definitely subscribe. Hit that bell so you'll be notified when I post new videos every day. And just notified period when I post new videos. And yeah guys, let's get into this video. Okay, so we're going to be talking about J Company and Jewelry. Wait, or is it Jewelry and Company? I think it's Jewelry and Company. Okay. J&Co Jewelry. Let's put it like that. We're going to be talking about J&Co Jewelry today, guys. And so this is a company I found on Facebook and Instagram. And again, this was my phone or whatever, maybe the divine universe or these people looking at my search history on when I'm searching on Google, because I was looking for dainty jewelry for my ear because I wanted something to fill up my entire ear, and I really wanted to do hoops all the way up. But when I found their website and I was actually looking through their products and their earrings, I happened to find a lot that I liked. Hold on, let me push my nose cut. I found a lot that I like, so I'm going to show you guys really quick what I got. So it came in this package, and it took forever to get here. Forever. I don't know. I know there's a supply shortage, so maybe that has something to do with it, but I don't know why it took so long to get here. So this is what the box looks like. It's really, really cute. It kind of like a slide out box, kind of like a jewelry box. So this is definitely reusable. Look at the little baggies. Oh my God, they're so adorable. Deplorable. No, kidding. They are so adorable. These little baggies that all the pieces come in. It's just so cute. And so, yeah, you can see that. So this is what it came looking like. And it's definitely love this because I can keep it and store it in here, and I put it in these bags to store it as well. So let's get into what I got. So, and I have some of the pieces in my ear right now. I'm gonna tell you guys, it is hard to put these earrings on. Like, I had to get help, okay? These earrings are no joke, so definitely have some help. That's my only con. Like, these earrings are beautiful. They're really, really cute, and I love them. They look just like they do in person as they do online, but they are hard to put on. Hard, okay? Like, stop. Stop with this. It's so hard. But, okay, so I got the double ball ear jacket in gold, and it was $29. So I'm gonna show you guys. It's in my ear right now. This is what it looks like, and I also have it on the screen as well. This is what it looks like. Okay, so it's like a double jacket. So it's supposed to look like 2 earrings in one, and it's supposed to be hugging your ear. So my ear is small, so clearly it's not gonna hug my ear, but it definitely, I am definitely loving this piece. Okay, so I hope y'all can see that. I know, I wonder if that turned. It did turn. Hold on. Okay. Jesus. Loving this double ball ear jacket in gold. Okay, so moving on to the second piece in my ear, which is the Luxepavesuspenderearrings earrings in gold. These are $39. And it's a pair like these. Okay, so I love this because it actually looks like a cuff that goes on the inside of your ear, but it's actually an ear piercing, as you can see from the video over here. I mean, not the video, the photo over here. that it actually has a stem to actually go in your ear and a back to put on. So I love that. I love that because the cuffs that are like piercingless, it's kind of like fake feeling to me, which is not a bad thing because they sell those on the website, but I wanted something more in my ear, more real looking per se. So moving on from that, I also got baby hoop earrings in gold. Now these are supposed to hug your ear. They're supposed to be small to your ear, but for me, I feel like first of all, they're hard to put in. Let's talk about that. So this is what it looks like. I took one out of the bag already. These are what the bags that the earrings come in. So I love that it's like individually bagged like this. That's awesome. But let me show you a real time with this little baby hoop. And I got like two sets of these, and they're a pair. But look at this. I don't know if y'all can see that. You probably can't. That little hole, and I have nails on, it has the smallest hole. I'm like, how the heck am I supposed to get this in there? And I have nails on, so there's no freaking way. And when I was able to get it in my ear, it was so hard trying to put it in this little hole. Oh my God, I still can't put it in there. It is not even in my ear. So that's my one con about that. And I felt like it wasn't hugging my ear either. I don't know if it's because my piercing hole is too low, which that doesn't make any sense because how high could it go? But it wasn't, but then again, I didn't have it in the hole either. So maybe that's why it wasn't hugging my ear. But I am going to try to put it in again. I'm just going to, we're going to try it later for that, okay? And so I also got one more thing. And those, oh, I forgot to tell you how much those were. Those are $15 for a pair. And so I got 2 of those. So that was like $30. And so moving on to the last thing I got was, hold on a second, let me try to find it. I don't know why it's not here on the top. I got a mini pearl nose stud. And this I wanted to put either, here it is, right here. Show you guys what that looks like. I will say these little bags are not that easy to work with my nails. But this is what that is. It's a little mini pearl stud. And this was $8. And I was planning to either put that in my nose or put it right here. I'm not sure yet. So it's still up in the air on which one I'm going to use. So yeah. So, ooh, I felt like I got a lot. I got 4 earring sets and a nose stud. So I got like essentially 5 things. And it was still under $100. So I feel like the prices aren't too bad. It is a little bit on the expensive side. But I just, like I said, I love the way it looks. Only con is it's hard to put on. I feel like even without nails, I wouldn't be able to navigate it. That's pretty much it. J&Co jewelry. So, really cute stuff. Really cute stuff. They have other stuff that I want to get, but I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to get it or not. I'm still debating. But we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Anyways, you guys should definitely give them a try. Look at their products. It's really, really good. If you like this video, definitely like below. Tell me which one is your favorite piece. Which one do you like the best? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching. Follow me on Instagram, matic_k.s.h. And I will see you guys in tomorrow's video for Vlogmas Day 5. And we're out. See you later.